Welcome to Turtle Programming in Creative Suite. In this video, we will review the instructions for your first project in the Turtle course. You will learn how to open Turtle Programming in Creative Suite, create your program, save it to your NCLab folder, export the drawing as an STL file for 3D printing, and publish either your code or just the STL file on the internet. Let's start by reading the instructions on the Make Your Own screen in Level 1.9. Each section in the Turtle course will have its own specific set of instructions, but the basic file creation process is the same for all projects. Open this document to find instructions for your first project. When you are finished, return here and change false to true, down here, in the program below to indicate that you are done. Then move on to the next section. So instead of writing the code in the lower left frame as you have in the instructional levels, you will be creating your project in Creative Suite. All you will write here is the word true to show that you have completed the project. Let's open the PDF. The PDF will open in a separate window in your browser. You can refer to it while you are working on your project. Let's go over each section of the PDF. The first part tells you how to get to Creative Suite, and then how to start and save your first project. Let's do that now. All Turtle projects will be done using NCLab's Creative Suite. To get there, close the course window in NCLab and double-click on the Creative Suite icon on your NCLab desktop. You will see a variety of modules. Go to Programming. There you will see several coding apps. Open Turtletina. This will launch a generic Turtle worksheet with a basic text description and a demo program. The demo program is more advanced, but don't worry about it. Click the Eraser button to remove the demo script. Our first project will be very simple. First, let's save the project as Project 1 in folder Course Turtle Projects. Now let's create our own pendant, logo, or symbol using only straight lines. First, let's add a text description to our design. Now for this design, I'm just going to type a few simple lines. First, I'll instantiate my turtle. Then I will make her turn left, and then go for 20 steps. And then finally go 20 more steps. Now I'll call Tina.extrude so she'll be 3D. And then Tina.show and run. My program has been saved in NCLab without me needing to do any extra steps. Once you save the file at the beginning, all updates are saved automatically. Note that there is a disadvantage to autosaving that you should be aware of. For example, if you damage your file, such as erase its part or everything by mistake, then this will be autosaved. Be careful about this, and if it happens, use undo. So for example, if I accidentally deleted some lines, like that, I could just use Ctrl-Z. Just keep in mind that the memory of the undo is limited. So if something bad happens to your program, use Ctrl-Z right away to fix it. Now let's export our design for 3D printing. Your turtle designs can be exported in STL file format, which is understood by all 3D printers. To do this, just open the Export menu in the upper right part of your worksheet and select Save STL to Disk. In the same menu, you can select Save STL in NCLab. This will launch the File Manager, and you will be able to select the folder where you want your STL file saved. Now we can share our turtle design online. First, let's go to the desktop, and then double-click My Files. This launches the File Manager. Locate your file there and right-click on it. You should see a menu like this. Click on Publish to the Web. This will open the Publishing dialog. On the left-hand side, select how you want your file published. On the right, you can either take the link to your file or publish it on your social networks. With option 1, your file is not published. With option 2, users will be able to only view your worksheet. With option 3, they will be able to run it and see your 3D model. With option 4, they will be able to edit the file. Note that they will be editing their local copy, so your original file will not be changed. Option 4 is the most popular one because it allows other users to experiment with your model, tweak it, change its parts, run the new model, etc. STL files which are saved in your NCLab account can be published in the same way. So I can right-click my STL file and I get that same Publish to the Web option. An advantage of sharing the STL file directly is that users can click on your shared link and see the 3D model directly, without evaluating the code. It's faster, but an obvious disadvantage is that they cannot see the code. Once you've finished all the tasks in the project checklist, you can go back to level 1.9 and finish the level. So I'll just change false to true and then press run. In this video, you learned how to save your projects in NCLab, create your own pendants, logos, or symbols using only straight lines, export your files as STLs, and publish your files on the web. Have fun with your project, and I'll see you in the next video.